In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a reference image in Krita quickly and easily so you can keep your inspiration right where you need it while you paint or draw. This is super useful if you want to follow a photo, study lighting, trace shapes, or keep a visual guide open without constantly switching windows. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Krita tips and digital art tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, look at the toolbar on the left side of your screen and find the Reference Images tool. It usually looks like a small push pin on a sheet of paper, so once you spot that icon, click it to activate the tool. This is the tool that lets you place and manage reference images inside Krita. Now that the tool is active, move over to the Tool Options docker on the right side of the screen. In that panel, you'll see an Add Image button. Click Add Image. Then browse through your computer and choose the reference image you want to use. After selecting your file, click Open, and Krita will place the image into your workspace. Once the image appears, you can click and drag it to position it wherever you want. You're not limited to the white canvas area either. You can actually drag it off the canvas and leave it floating in the gray workspace area, which is really helpful if you want to keep your reference visible but out of the way while you work. If the image is too big or too small, use the corner handles to resize it. Just click and drag from the corners until it looks right for your setup. You can also reposition it again at any time if you want to keep your reference in a better spot on the screen. Here's the important part. Once you switch away from the Reference Images tool and activate a different tool, like your brush or fill tool, your reference image becomes pinned in place on the canvas. That means you can keep painting normally without accidentally moving it around. If you need to adjust it later, just switch back to the Reference Images tool and you'll be able to move or edit it again. So the basic workflow is simple. Select the Reference Images tool, add your image, position it, resize it, then switch to your active drawing tool to pin it in place. That makes Krita a lot more convenient when you need a stable visual reference while you create. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Krita tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching and happy painting!